Hello, my wonderful people out there. You're welcome back to my channel, and perhaps you've not subscribed before. Please do hit the red subscribe button below. Like we always do on this channel, we've brought again to you another juicy news. So without much ado, let's hop to it. Mr. Macron, who is 42 years, will self-isolate for 7 days while working remotely. Now, in case you do not know, Mr. Macron is the French president, and his full name is Emmanuel Macron. He has been tested positive for COVID-19. The French president attended a number of high-profile events in recent days, including an EU summit. Following his diagnosis, several other European leaders, including the Spanish Prime Minister, said they would self-isolate. The President of the Republic has been diagnosed positive for COVID-19 today. The diagnosis was made following a test performed at the onset of the first symptoms, the statement added. The French president's wife, Brigitte Macron, who is 67 years old, is self-isolating but has no symptoms yet. It is not yet known how Macron caught the virus, but his office said it was identifying any recent close contact he has had. On Tuesday, President Macron hosted French parliamentary heads and on Monday members of the intergovernmental group, the OECD. Last week, he, along with almost every other EU leader, attended a summit in Brussels. So, who else need to isolate? So among those going into self-isolation are European Council Chief Charles Michel, Spanish Prime Minister Pedro, and OECD Secretary General Angel Gurria, all of whom met President Macron this week. Mr. Sanchez has tested negative, but like Mr. Macron, we work remotely from quarantine. Also, the Portuguese Prime Minister Antonio Costa, who is 59 years, has cancelled all official trips and is isolating and awaiting test results after a working lunch in Paris with President Macron on Wednesday. Belgian Prime Minister Alexander and Luxembourg Prime Minister Berthier too are self-isolating following contacts with the French president. So in a statement, Mr. Berthier wished Mr. Macron a speedy recovery. Irish Prime Minister Michael Martins has tested negative for COVID-19, but will limit its contact, a spokesman said. Also, French Prime Minister Jean Castex, who is 55 years, and Parliamentary Speaker Richard Verard, who is 58 years old, are also self-isolating. Their offices confirmed same. Mr. Castex, who is not showing any symptoms and has tested negative, was due to introduce the government COVID vaccination policy in the Senate on Thursday. But right about now, Health Minister Olivia Véran is doing it instead. France this week ended a 6-week national lockdown, replacing the measure with a curfew to help deal with soaring cases. Mr. Macron last week attended a 2-day European Council Heads of State Summit, finishing on Friday, However, the French president is considered to have become potentially contagious as of Monday evening. A senior EU official said this. All sanitary measures were observed during last week's meeting, and the Council has not been informed of any other participants testing positive, the source added.